Sabi nila, Cubao ang pinakagitna ng universe. At dito sa Cubao Expo, mahahanap mo ang iba't ibang klase ng aliens. Nandito yung mga pinaka-cool at pinaka-weird na Gen Z sa Metro Manila. Artistic, aesthetic, retro ang taste. Hindi nahihiyang ipakita kung sino sila. Mahilig sa mga plaka, ukay, vintage clothes at antiques, Instagrammable na kainan at inuman. Hi guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa Cubao X. But I did not go here for the vinyl records or the retro stuff or the vintage ukay-ukay clothes. Ang pinunta natin dito ngayon is this. I have here a glass of Visayan craft beer. And it's available here in Cubao X Brewery. Tonight, ang mga beer nila ay panay mga craft beers na mga Visayan craft breweries. And tonight, titikman natin lahat yan. Tara, samahan niyo ako. You will be surprised to know that in the Visayas region, the craft beer community is very much alive. Sa Cebu, nandyan ang Beka, Bisaya Brew, Bohemia at Turning Wheels. In Dalaguete, there's Brujeria. In Capiz, there's UD. Sa Dumaguete naman, nandyan ang Bernie Nomnom at Apolong. And in Boracay, they have the Boracay Island Brewing. These are just some of the brewers who are members of the Visayan Craft Beer Association. And some of these brands are here tonight. Bilang isang Pinoy craft beer fan, hindi ko pwedeng palampasin to. So I have here 4 small glasses of craft beers from Visayas. This one is Brujeria Phantom Pale Ale. And this one is called Beka. Beka is Kolsch. Kolsch style naman yan. And then the couple of glasses here is made by Bisaya Brew. This one is lager. And then the other one is also made by Bisaya Brew. This one naman is wheat beer. 4 na small glasses for only 300 pesos. Kaya lang this is limited, for limited time lang only dito sa Cubao X Brewery. Actually, that was only yesterday, Friday, and today, Saturday. After today, wala na to, hindi na nila to i-offer dito sa Cubao X. Dito sa Metro Manila, Cubao X Brewery is one of the many breweries that operate independently. The beers they offer are fresh because they brew it right here on location. They offer a variety of beer styles to choose from. Kung beer nerd ka kagaya ko, kailangan mong pumunta rito. But tonight is special. It's called a tap takeover. Instead of selling their own beers, they allow the Visayan beers to take over their taps. That's why I love the Pinoy craft beer community. Kahit magkakakompetensya, nagtutulungan sila. But before we continue, I'd like to thank everyone watching na nakasubscribe na dito sa channel ko. And if you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for doing that. I really appreciate it. What I'm drinking right now is a brand called Boracay Island Craft Beer. And this is their stout, 5.4% alcohol by volume. Sakto lang, masarap, hindi mahirap inumin. Hindi overwhelming yung bitterness and yung lasa. It's good, I like it. So, kamusta naman yung lasa ng mga beer? To be honest, yung mga beer mismo, they're not very unique or special. Marami na akong natikmang lagers, kolsch, pale ale, or wheat beers. At lahat naman yan masasarap, including these ones. But what makes this beer special is knowing that they're made from another part of the country. The craft beer brewing community in the Visayas region is thriving, and I hope it continues that way. Sana mas mag-grow pa sila at mas makilala. And I also hope na makilala din sila ng mga Gen Zs. Hindi lang dito sa Cubao X, kundi sa Metro Manila at hanggang sa buong Pilipinas. Sana ma-recognize din nila at ma-appreciate yung passion ng paggawa ng craft beers. But not just the beers. I think it's also important na malaman mo at matutunan yung kultura kung saan galing yung beer. I'm so glad na ginawa ng Visayan Craft Beer Association na dalhin dito sa Manila, particularly dito sa Cubao X, yung mga beers nila. Matagal ko nang gustong pumunta sa Visayas region, sa Cebu, para gumawa ng craft beer tour dun sa craft beer scene sa kanila. And wala lang akong time nor resources para gawin yon. Kaya I'm so glad na nangyari ito. Na sila mismo yung pumunta dito sa Manila, particularly dito sa Cubao X, para ipatikim sa mga taga Maynila yung mga beer nila. So kahit papano, parang nakapunta na rin ako sa Visayas para tumikim ng mga craft beers. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-aeroplano kahit wala ako sa Visayas ngayong gabi. Para na rin ako nakarating. Sa lahat ng mga craft beer brewers and craft beer fans sa Visayas region, cheers sa inyo. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.